Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the interrelationships between two-port network. So now we are going to perform the derivation for ABCD parameters in terms of H parameter. So ABCD parameters in terms of H parameters. This very important derivation of conversion. Okay. So let us try to see individually, we can understand better. So what is this? Here is, first we need to write down ABCD parameters and we need to write down H parameter. What are ABCD values? We have V1, I1, V2, I2. Okay. So we want to express V1, I1 in terms of V2, I2. So therefore V1, I1 is equal to A, B, C, D of V2 minus I2 is nothing but ABCD, and the H parameters are, we want to express V1 I2 in terms of I1 V2. So therefore V1 I2 is equal to H11, H12, H21, H22 into I1 V2. So here in this you are going to get V1 is equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. Second equation is I2 is equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. So these are the two equations we have. So we have to compare with these two equations. Okay, that's nothing but V1 is equal to AV2 minus BI2 is the one equation. Second equation is I1 is equal to CV2 minus D into I2. So we want to express V1 in terms of V2 and I2, or I1 in terms of V2 and I2. So see which equation is having V2 and I2. So V2 should be there and I2 also should be there. Okay. So I1 in terms of V2 and I2. So now write down H21 I1 is equal to I2 minus H22 V2. So here you can see here I1 is in terms of V2 and I2. I require the value of I1. I1 is equal to, first we require V2, that's why I'm writing it as first, H22 divided by H21 V2 plus 1 H21 into I2. So we are going to compare with the standard expression. So I1 is equal to CV2 minus DI2. Therefore, what are the values of A, B, C, D parameters in terms of H parameter? So the value of C is this one, the value of D is this one. So therefore the value of C we are going to get minus H22 divided by H21. The value of D is minus 1 by H21. So now here also we require V1 in terms of V2 and I2. So this I1 is not there. This we have to express in terms of V2 and I2. Which equation is there in terms of V2 and I2 is I1 equation. Use this in this equation. Therefore, the resultant value of V1 is equal to H11 I1. I1 is minus H22 divided by H21 V2 plus 1 by H21 into I2 is the value of I1 in terms of V2 and I2 plus H12 V2. So here we are to express in terms of V2 and I2. So first term should be V2 term. So therefore first we expand, then we will take it common. Okay. So minus H11 H22 divided by H21 V2 plus H11 divided by H21 into I2 plus H12 V2. Take V2 as an common term. When you take V2 as an common term here, so V2 is common, therefore H12 minus H11 H22 divided by H21 into V1 plus H11 divided by H21 into I2. This is the value of V1. Therefore, what is the standard expression of V1? So V1 is equal to, we can write down V2, let's take LCM, it will be more clear. H21, this is H12, H21 minus H11, H22 plus H11 divided by H21 into I2. What is the standard expression of ABCD parameter? V1 is equal to AB2 minus B into I2. So now we compare with that expression. The value of A is this value, the value of B is this value. Therefore, the value of A we are going to get it as H12 H12 H21 minus H11 H22 divided by H21. The value of B is minus H11 divided by H22. So this is how we expressed our target ABCD parameters in terms of H parameters. So this is very useful in solving multiple problems. So once, very simple logic is, first write down ABCD parameters and write down Y parameter. Identify the equation which is having, so here I1 is there in terms of V2 and I2 expressed in the standard form consisting of V2 and I2. Substitute this in this expression of I1, then automatically this also will be in standard form. If you feel the content is useful to you, please like the video, share with your friends. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching for the first time, subscribe the channel with the name KV Tulasira. We will meet in the next video. Yours obediently, Ram.